Morning, everybody. Nice sunny day out. Got a guy coming to pick up his cherry slab wood for a smoker. So I thought I'd show you my little stand here I make for the sawmill where I can throw all the slab wood in there. Works real nice for cutting it up for firewood that I burn, or like this cherry that's desirable. I give out to a local guy. He cooks for the church and one thing and another, so we're going to use the old 310 Stihl today. Been ran over twice, once by a track hoe and once by, well, me skidding logs, or my dad. It was my fault, but so it's been rebuilt twice. It's ported, pulls 28-inch bar pretty good. We got pretty high rakers on this because this little bitty slab wood, it's so grabby. You're getting a lot of 1-inch pieces, a lot of edges, so it ain't gonna cut real fast. Let's get her warmed up. She's cold, see if she'll start this morning. Better shove in your earplugs till they touch with this Ironhorse muffler on there. There we go. I run a board under here so I don't hit it with my bar, that metal down there. recording if you don't care. You ain't bothered nothing.
No.
Okay. Well, I'll just let you know in case you're wanted by the law or something, you know.
I seen it sitting there and I thought, well, he's probably filming when he was sawing or something.
No, actually, I was actually showing some people want to know about this stand that I throw my flinches in. So I was kind of showing how it works. Not that it takes a rocket surgeon to figure it out. But
yeah, just
some people like to see it in action or whatever. Hey, we can shut that noisy son of a gun off. Guy's got to poke his earplugs in until they touch. If you're gonna run that thing.
yeah.
That stuff's smoking okay.
Yeah, we actually just started burning some of it because we had some other stuff we had to go get through.
Well, I told you I didn't know if this would be too dry for smoke or wood or not. It's been sitting a while. I guess you don't have to soak it in diesel fuel to get it to go.
No.
Put that good flavor on that meat y'all butchered. The bigger pieces, they probably have a little bit in them. That one was hollow.
Seen that one, it kind of.
Yeah, it was good on one end. You know, as far as this goes, had some good stuff in it, but it was still hollow. So I just milled it down to there and called it. Thought you guys might get more good out of it than me getting two measly boards or something.
Yeah. Work 2 hours and get 2 boards.
Right.
Old Robert was talking about you yesterday.
Oh, was he telling stories on me about?
Well, he wasn't telling no stories. He's saying you're a pretty good shot.
Oh yeah.
I don't know how we got on the subject. I don't know. Happened to qualify or whatever.
Oh yeah.
Robert, he was like, well, I can hit, you know, pretty good circle butt like that, but Mark and Corey and Cartwright, he's like, them guys there, it's like that.
Right.
Like, well,
aim small, miss small.
yeah, if you're gonna miss it, you're gonna miss, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I tried helping him, and I think we done some good, but I've helped him a little bit. Showed him some.
Sometimes it's just maybe just that practice.
Well, yeah, sometimes it's not realizing what you're doing wrong. Especially on pistol, trigger control is so important. And I got him doing that. Well, we went out to his house. He said, well, this Glock ain't shooting good. I said, okay. Let me see it a minute. Okay, bam, bam, bam. Okay, stop, you're done.
Yeah.
Let me watch you, see what you're doing wrong. He's pretty good crap.
Yeah.
What do you think of that?
I love it.
They give you a day off today?
They did.
They did.
Yep, I gotta go trim some trees for Quinn's mom down there for her.
Yeah?
She said she's been hitting them with her when she's riding a lawnmower, so.
Okay.
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 Go down there and cut some limbs, and
There you go.
I might cut some wood today. It's nice, so.
But it's gonna warm up. I'm afraid.
I'll about run 2 tanks and I'm done, you know.
Right. Yeah.
Don't get too crazy.
Yeah. It's about time for me to fire into wood cutting. I got sawdust making and hay dust making seasons. I got basically 2 seasons. I'm either gonna make hay or wood chips.
That's right.
And it's fixing to move on to wood chips. No, I run straight on ethanol gas.
What you have to do nowadays.
And I do. My saws will set for 6 months. I got some saws in there, because hell, I got too many, you know.
Oh yeah.
I got some
you got
saws.
Your favorite one to go and grab all the time.
No, that's the worst of it. No, I try to cycle through them, but then yeah, come wood cutting time, you know, I do grab the bigger saws, but I do try to cycle through them some. But like that little 270, it'll set sometimes for a year at a time. Well, see, I love like a 28-inch board.
Don't have to bend over as far either.
Don't have to bend over. I can reach into the top. You know what I'm saying? I can reach in there. Got a little 250 in there I redone. And I boarded it. And it'll probably hang me. It'll outcut my 270. Oh, see, he don't even like dogs, especially worthless ones like you. She said, oh, he smells like he's been in the meat house all day. Yeah. But that 250, I took a Husqvarna bar and modified it. It'll fit if you.
Yeah.
So I'm running at 20. I hate anything shorter than a 20.
I watch it on YouTube. He runs a bunch of, I can't think, but he has to modify his bars. He runs normally steel bars because
Right.
You know, they're pretty better than anything out there, you know. You have to modify them. I think you have to cut that end out so it can slide farther somehow.
Right.
You know, so he does that.
I run, yeah, Husky mounts. See, Huskies are a little narrower on the bigger saw. They're a little narrower. They don't have as big a slot in them because the steel studs have a bigger shoulder on them.
Yeah.
Well, I've taken milled them out because I ordered the wrong bar one time and wound up with a Husky bar, and I don't own a Husky. So I threw that on the mill and gouged it out. But like it steels, the small steels, see, they got a narrow slot like a Husky.
Yeah.
See, so you just end up cutting the back of the bar off. Because steel, the bar don't come all the way around the back. No. It cuts off on the junk saws, right? Yeah, so you cut the back end of that Husky bar off, and she'll fit on your steel. And oil holes line up. And
yeah. Go down there.
Yeah, because I just can't stand anything. 20-inch bar's pretty short, and I just can't stand anything shorter than that. I mean, it's like, I don't like being that close to my work.
Nope. Nope.
So,
thank you, Mark.
Hey, have a big time.